Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting way to make money online using Printify. If you've ever wondered how to start your own online business with custom products, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, what is Printify? Printify is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to create and sell custom-designed products without holding any inventory. You design, they print, and ship. It's that simple. Step 1. Sign up for Printify. Head over to printify.com and click on Sign Up. You can use your email or connect with Google or Facebook. It's quick and easy. Step 2. Create your first product. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Product. Choose from a wide range of items like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. For this example, let's go with a t-shirt. Step 3. Design your product. Upload your design or use Printify's design tools to create something unique. You can add text, graphics, and play around with colors. Preview how it looks on the product. Step 4. Set your pricing. Decide how much you want to charge for your product. Printify will show you the cost, and you can set your profit margin. Once you're happy with it, hit Publish. Step 5. Connect to a sales platform. Printify integrates with popular platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. Choose one and follow the instructions to sync your products. Step 6. Market your products. Share your store on social media, run ads, or collaborate with influencers. The more you promote, the more sales you can make. Remember that Printify provides excellent customer service as well as tools to assist you in the process. Therefore, don't be afraid to ask questions. And that's it. You're all set to start making money online with Printify. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on starting your online business. Drop any questions or your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy selling.